back again, here with another video. And as you can see, I have something from Tomei. My reasoning for getting this is because I have modified my exhaust many times in my past videos, as you may have seen if you followed my channel for a while. And basically there's been rust and scraping on the exhaust, and there's holes in it basically, and I've tried to weld them up, but even the flanges are leaking condensation. And if you watch the video of me at the track the last time, I think it's the last race of the video, you'll see one of the track officials start to come up to my window because he was going to tell me to stop because I was leaking something. And that's just the condensation coming out of the exhaust and leaking down from where I made the little V-band weld and from holes that are in the exhaust, the old HKS Super Dragger exhaust catback piping. So today we're going to be installing the Tomei Expreme TI catback. So we'll do a little unboxing here and see how it looks, and then we'll get to installing. I'll do a before and after, although this is straight pipe, so it's probably going to be louder than this, but maybe not, I don't know. But I don't want to get the piping all hot before I take it off, so I know I have some clips of exhaust of this setup, so I'll insert those, and then we'll start it up with the new Tomei exhaust and see with sound difference. I'm guessing that this is probably going to be almost just as loud, but have a better tone to it, because it does have a little resonator and a muffler, which really doesn't do much, but let's get into it. First pipe here that has the resonator in it. The pipe that goes on after, next to the muffler. The muffler. Ooh-wee. Nice. I don't want to touch it with my fingers just yet, so wrap it up. And we've got the silencer. I feel like I want to test that just to see. The hanger that goes around the muffler. Clamps, the rubber piece that goes on the hanger around the muffler, and then the gasket to made up to the test pipe or cap, and then all the other stuff you need. Ooh, stickers and a license plate frame. Nice. So yeah, that's it. Some good looking piping right there, titanium, nice and light. Heaviest part is this resonator. See down in there, that's where the springs attach. This pipe is super light. It's pretty awesome. and then the muffler. So you've seen the muffler, so cool. Ow. Yeah, there's a mount right here that has it's basically a bolt-in. That's tightening, and that wouldn't work. Okay. Let's get this little ground. And then all that's left is a mount right here, and then the two that hold the muffler, or in my case, straight pipe up. This is where I tried to weld up the holes in the exhaust, and then this gasket has been leaking, and then this one, because my welding skills suck, the V-band here. I won't be able to use my custom titanium tip anymore with this exhaust, but thank you, Joe Simpson at Tempest Racing, for making this for me. Alright, so now we bolt up the new exhaust. Okay, those are on there, finger tight, and then we'll get the other piece of the exhaust on, and then we'll tighten it. So yeah. I get it now. I can't see anything. So I was trying to put it in this hanger, but it's like way too far over. See? But there's a spot up here where a hanger used to be also. And I think that's where that one goes. So I'm gonna take probably this one off since it's not being used and put it up there. Alright, so that's where the hanger is now. There's a threaded thing here, so I put a nut on, washer and nut on there, and then the pipe just goes right into the bottom part. And it's still loose here, so I'm going to try and fit the muffler up and then get it straight, and then I'll tighten everything. pretty centered to me. Startup. Car's still in the air. And this is a true cold start, so my idle will probably want to die, so I'll have to give it some gas, but I'll try and see if it'll idle on its own before I give it some gas. It probably won't. Thanks for watching the video. Short little video, not really. You know how I do. So my next video will probably be us going to the drag strip again. I'm about halfway through my break-in miles for the new clutch, the X clutch that I installed. And once I do that, then I can go test the launching capabilities of the, well, I don't have the drag radials on right now. I put the other wheels back on to do my break-in miles, but I'll put the drag radials back on, test out the two-step launch capabilities, and then yeah, we'll see if I can't get a 10-second run out of this thing. I mean, I know it makes the power to do 10s. It's whether or not I can drive it to a 10-second time. The problem for me mentally is the transmission is stock, you know, and third gear and these things, they're pretty much a ticking time bomb when you start upgrading power. So whether or not I shift fast enough and keep in boost fast enough or whatever, you know, that's the mental question I have to ask myself when I'm at the drag strip, at the starting line, about to go for it. Do I just give it all it's got and risk breaking the transmission, or do I try to easily go into the gears and then hope that the you know, the new clutch and the tires make up for that? I think it was like a 1.9 60-foot or something that I had before. So anyway, yeah, thanks for watching the video. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Stay tuned for the drag racing video. I've been posting some stuff on my Instagram and Facebook. If you're not following, links in the description below. And yeah, guys, look forward to seeing if I can get a 10 out of this thing. So appreciate it. See ya.